Happy Chaos Rising official release day. We're opening up another pack and chasing after that Ampharos IR or the Gold Mega Greninja. So hopefully we can get one of those today. That would be awesome. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow, whatever it is, depending on the platform. And let's get into this. We have a Zubat. Next we have an Octillery, followed by a Beldum. Next we have a Delibird. Next comes the Deoxys. Now we have Emma after that. And our reverse is a Ninetales. Come on, IR, Ampharos. No, a Garbodor reverse. And we end off with, oh, a Beedrill EX. All right.